Most people think Arduino is complicated, but this simple project takes less than 10 minutes, and I'll show you exactly how to build it. By the end of this video, you'll have your first working Arduino project, even if you've never coded before. This is what we're building. Simple LED circuit. It might look basic, but this is the foundation of almost every Arduino project. And here are the parts list. So we need a breadboard. We need a 220 ohm resistor. We need an LED. We need some wires. We need the Arduino itself. Now let's connect it up. So we're going to connect pin 13 to the breadboard, and then on the breadboard you see the vertical tracks. You can connect in the resistor, and then the other end of the resistor into another vertical track. And then we connect in the LED, making sure to keep the long end, that's the positive end, it's in the same track as the resistor, and then we complete the circuit by connecting ground back to the ground on the Arduino. And that's pretty much it. That's the circuit pretty much connected. And then we, of course, connect the USB connector from the Arduino to the laptop. And then we're just about ready to do some coding so we can start blinking the LED. Okay, so now we're going to open the Arduino IDE, and every Arduino program has a void setup and a void loop. So void setup runs once and void loop continues to run. So as you might have seen, we connected pin 13 from the Arduino to get some power to the LED. So what we're going to do then is we're going to make pin 13 an output, and we do that by pin mode 13 and make it output, and semicolon at the end, don't forget that. So that's one action we do one time. So we've made pin 13 an output. Now we're going to go into the loop, and we're going to try to blink the LED. So what we're going to do here is a digital write, pin 13, you guessed it, and we're going to set this high. So we can set it high or low. High means we turn it on, semicolon at the end, and then we're going to delay maybe 500 milliseconds. So that's 500 milliseconds, which of course is half a second. And then what we will do is we will go digital write and turn it low. Basically turn off the LED, semicolon at the end, and then do a delay for 500 milliseconds. And that's basically it. So let's run that and see if we can get a result. So for running, I'm going to select COM4 Arduino and verify. Okay, we had an error. Digital write. I can't spell. Okay, not to worry. Okay, let's try again. Okay, that seems to be running okay. The sketch is building. And it's compiling, no problem, perfect. And now let's have a look at the result. And there we go. It's blinking, half a second on, half a second off. And we can increase it if we want by changing it to 1 full second on and 1 full second off by changing the delay from 1500 to 1000. And if we rerun it, we can then check that. Okay, there we go. We can see it's on for 1 second, off for 1 second. And that's our first program. So That's it. So guys, if you have your LED blinking, you've just made your first Arduino project. This might seem simple, but this exact concept is used in smart homes, automation, and robotics. Just before we go, some common mistakes that we see. If the LED is in backwards, of course it won't work because the current only flows one direction in an LED. Also watch out for loose wires, make sure they're connected properly, and also for the wrong pin. So as you can see, I have pin 13 connected here, which is the same one that I declared in my program. Okay, that's it. So guys, if you want more beginner Arduino projects like this, I'm turning this into a full series. Over 30 lectures are coming. So please subscribe and I'll show you the next one.